Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Today we're going to make a paleo superfood power bar. Okay, so it's going to have a heap of superfoods in it. Starting off with some cashews. Okay, that's going to be the base. About a cup of cashews. Dates. Okay, this is a big handful of dates here. Put that in. That's really going to hold it together. It's going to make it really sticky. Obviously nice sugars in that. It's going to sweeten it up so all these other superfoods aren't going to be as powerful with the taste. Things like maca. Okay, high in B vitamins. Peruvian warriors used to use this before battle. It's going to give you a lot of energy, things like that. So that's about a tablespoon of the maca. We've got a tablespoon of chia seeds. Okay, these are the omegas, the good fats. It's going to keep us full for a lot longer than other types of fats out there. Some coconut oil. Tablespoon of this puppy. You can. Oh, I love this stuff. All right, put that in there. Okay, vanilla essence. Is it? No, extract. Alright, cool. So just half a teaspoon of this. This stuff is awesome. This is natural vanilla extract. Alright, what do we got? We've got any coming out? And some chlorella. If you've ever heard of spirulina or blue-green algae, chlorella is in that category. It's high in chlorophyll and beta-carotene. It's going to give us a lot of just everything, okay? Let's get another spoon. Particularly chlorella is really strong, really powerful at getting heavy metals out of our body. So we're not going to use too much of that. We don't want to overpower it. This is more of an add-on, you know. It's going to change the color a little bit as well. So just like half a tablespoon. Tablespoon, go for it. Well, alright. We might actually need some more nuts. What we're going to do, put more nuts in. Another cup of cashews. There we go. So, if you start here, turn it on. I'm just going to put it on variable number 5. Slowly mix this together. See how we just want it to be the one consistency before we turn it into the balls. On the highest setting now. We've overloaded the Vitamix, ladies and gentlemen. This is what happens when the Vitamix takes too much pressure. We'll be back in a minute. And we're back, guys. Look, sometimes the Vitamix, under the extreme pressure, will kind of switch off for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just let it cool down and turn it back on. So what we're going to do, we've mixed it up. It's kind of the same consistency now. Put it on the highest setting, and we're going to go the highest setting. Fingers crossed, eh? Alright, cool. Brilliant. And what happens... and that is how you do it. So what you can do here, you can either push it down and lay it out flat, cut it into little slices and put it into Ziploc bags in the fridge, take it with you for a little snack for work or whatever on the weekend. What I'm going to do, you can actually roll them into particular, you know, you've probably heard of Bliss balls. Now it's so warm and sticky. I'm stuck in my teeth now. Alright. So a lot of oil in that. That's fine. If you want to coat them in, check this out. Coat them in desiccated coconut, things like that. There we go. And as they cool down, they'll set more. And they'll be a lot harder in the fridge. You know, set them in the fridge or the freezer. But check it out. Get messy. Okay? And that's how you make chlorella Bliss balls. Enjoy.